Hello and welcome to Highways Presents, where we bring the expert industry knowledge from the highway sector to the world. My name's Dominic Browne, I'm the editor of Highways magazine, and I'm honoured to be joined today by Steve Sinnott, Sales Manager at ECON Engineering. ECON is a second-generation family-owned company that's been in operation for over 50 years. It's well known for providing a range of highways maintenance vehicles, perhaps none more famous than the iconic yellow gritters that I'm sure you've seen out on the roads every winter. So I'm going to be talking to Steve about all things Econ and any of the latest innovations they have coming out onto the market. It's 5 questions in 5 minutes, give or take. Steve, it's your 5 and 5. Okay, so to kick us off, Steve, we know Econ lead the way in highways winter service in this country. Can you tell us what latest innovations do you have and what new things do you have coming out on the market?
Thanks, Dominic. Well, Econ has a long history of product innovation. We often deliver tailor-made solutions for customers and believe that they play a vital role in the product innovation here at Econ. We're always looking at ways to improve and enhance the product range and are therefore delighted with our latest innovation, which is Econ's first towable deicer.
And can you tell us what prompted you to develop this product?
Well, after a number of conversations with customers across the country, we understood there is a growing obligation to keep cycleways and footpaths safe and ice-free. And whilst there are a number of products available in the market today, it's a challenge to treat them effectively and efficiently. We could see there was a gap in the market for this type of winter maintenance product. So our design team got to work in developing the trailer deicer that you see before you today.
Okay, and can you talk us through some of its main features?
Well, firstly, the trailer can access narrow routes quite easily, making it ideal for small areas, but in particular cycleways, footpaths, and some bridges. Now, the trailer can be towed by any plant vehicle or 4x4 which has a 2-ton tow weight capability. Alternatively, we're able to fit the tank and the spray equipment to any suitable vehicle if the customer has a preference for that type of option. A very key important feature of the trailer is the large tank capacity. The tank can hold up to 900 litres of liquid deicer, which provides up to 100 kilometres of route treatment. This is important as it means there's no need for a vehicle to go back to the depot to refill, and it keeps the resource to a minimum and ensures maximum efficiency for the operation. Now, the liquid is applied using the trailer's distribution nozzles, which are powered by the axle-driven hydraulic system. The trailer also has adjustable flow, patterns and spray widths, which allows for customised performance, which can be adapted for each different application or customer specification.
Oh, before we go any further, can I just ask, why liquid deicer?
Well, as you know, Dom, liquid deicers have been available in the UK for over 10 years now. Solid salt crystal, which is used on the highways, requires the vehicle traffic to assist with the brining process. And traffic is needed to help break down the salt for it to start working or treating or preventing ice. One of the other issues with large particles of solid salt is it creates a slip hazard, particularly on a bend or a junction, and liquid treatment reduces this risk. Footways and cycleways are more reliant on the material itself to anti-ice or de-ice the surface, as they do not have large vehicle footprint from the tyres to assist with that process. So the liquid offers significant benefits when treating footways and cycleways. And also, liquid has the added benefit of working immediately, meaning it also provides an effective protection against the formation of ice. Now, liquids solutions can come with anti-corrosion inhibitors, which are obviously beneficial for use in areas where there are items that may corrode, such as bridge structures or street furniture. And as you're able to accurately distribute the liquid, there is less wastage for the deicer product itself. You also use less chemicals in the application of liquid deicer to achieve similar results to solid salt. All these factors mean that the liquid is the preferred choice of treatment for cycleways and footways. There are a number of liquid options available, from a low-cost salt brine to enhanced low corrosion products, which are actually used in the aviation industry today. Options can be tailored to meet the customer's needs, no different to the vehicle itself. A supplier such as Safecoat can offer advice and information on the right solution for each budget and job in hand.
So you've got non-corrosive, works instantly, safer for those hard to reach but vulnerable areas like cycleways and footways where we don't have the tyres churning up the salt for us. As it was once described, it's not magic dust. We need something to process it, to move it around. But with the liquid deicer for this towable spreader, we can get to those hard to reach places and it starts working straight away and keeps people safe. So that's really, really good to hear about that innovation. I'm sure that'll be of a massive interest, particularly to urban authorities, no doubt. Looking wider at ECON, we know that it's such a wonderful success story, British company, family owned, second generation, and it's gone on to be such a huge presence in highway safety, winter service, keeping the roads moving and keeping people safe during the winter. But having achieved the success you have, and with the market share that you have, how do you plan for more growth? What's the strategy to go on from here when you're so dominant in the market as it stands?
Well, we don't sit on our laurels and take the market share as a given. We're always working hard to achieve that. We invest a six-figure sum annually into research and development into new products. And as a company, we're always adapting and improving our product range to meet the demands of the customers that we speak to on a day-to-day basis. And although we're probably best known, as you say, for the iconic yellow gritters, we also have a wide range of highway maintenance vehicles, including road patching, multi-purpose, and swap body systems. Now, over the years, hot boxes are a great success story for ECON and are one of our key strengths of product development. So by listening to our customers about these vehicles, we have developed key features such as overnight heating, hydraulic opening lids, and gas bottle storage to make it easier for the operator. And this has been introduced in the last 2 years and has been great in giving us full capacity with that product line. Obviously, so much so, we now have a separate product line for hot boxes to keep up with the demand from the customers. Also, customer service is at the heart of ECON and plays a big role in our business model. Expanding our aftermarket across the UK has been a key business objective, and we're delighted in the last 18 months to have opened service hubs in both Scotland and Wales. These strategically placed hubs again demonstrate ECON's commitment to provide locality support to our customers and offering a first-class service.
Brilliant, Steve. Well, thank you so much for taking us through all things ECON. You've got hot boxes, you've got maintenance vehicles, you've got body swaps, you've got the famous yellow gritters, you've now got a towable spreader, very versatile and capable of handling liquid deicer. This could be a big step forward, especially for those vulnerable places of the network, as I say, footways and cycleways. They're quite hard to reach, but so vital because we know trips and slips and falls are such a danger on icy pavements in winter. If you do want to get in contact with ECON, there will be contact slides at the end of the video, so just stay on and then you'll find out the best way to get in contact to find out more. If you want to take part in your own Highways Presents, this is the format. We generally keep it 5 questions, try to keep it under 5 minutes, give or take. So get in contact with us at Highways Magazine and we can share your knowledge with the world. It only remains for me to say thanks for joining us. Please stay safe on the roads out there this winter. Safe travels, safe journeys. And if you do see, which you probably will, the iconic yellow gritters from ECON, remember it's the good people at this British company that are keeping us safe no matter what the weather every winter. Thank you very much.